Come back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. But anyway, I have some spinach, which I'm going to make you a nice lovely spinach and cucumber drink with ginger. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop my spinach straight inside of the Ninja blender like this. Make sure you wash your spinach. It's very important for you guys to wash your spinach at home. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just pop it down straight inside of it like this. I'm putting roughly about 2 handfuls of spinach. I love, I know these can stay right there. I love spinach. All I'm going to do, I have half of a cucumber, and I'm gonna just cut the cucumber them into some small cut. Pop it straight inside of it like this. Nice one. I love my cucumber and I love my spinach. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna just simple push it down inside of it like this. Nice one. I'm gonna put the rest of it like this. Basically half a cucumber to roughly about 2 handfuls of spinach. Then I have some water which I'm going to pop straight inside of it like this. Not a lot of water. And you know what I mean? I have half of a lemon, which also, you don't know what you can do, it's just simple. Remove the skin from the lemon. That's the best thing, and blend up the whole natural blend in the lemon. This is just a healthy juice where you can make at home. Pop this straight inside of it like that. Lovely. So half of a lemon, just remove the seed and simple do it just like how I just did it. Second thing, ginger. Oh my god. Who's going to make a smoothie or a juice without ginger? You tell me. I'm going to remove the skin from the ginger. Guys, really very important. Alright, so I move this skin from the ginger, cut it up into some small pieces, and straight inside of it like that. And Chef Ricardo salad bar channel, we're gonna put a little bit of honey, or about a tablespoon of honey. Then what you're gonna do, cover it like this, and we will be blending this for roughly about 5 to 6 minutes. 5 minutes because it's not a fast blender. Yeah, you have the faster blender. My one is just an ordinary little blender I've been using at the moment because the Ninja make too much noise. I can't handle it. Alright guys, so let's blend this. Lovely. Make sure you switch on the blender good and go. You know what, man? There's some still left in the top of it. So basically, I need to get down this. Alright? In from the bottom to the top, from the bottom to the top, from the bottom to the top. Alright, you need to come down, guys. Come on. Why this thing just keep doing this? You know what, man? Because probably a chew oh yeah, it's fine now. I use a spoon and push it down. Let's blend. And not only that, spinach do got a lot of iron. Cucumber is good for you, ginger is good for you, and lemon is good for you. Very nice. You know what, to be honest with you, it cut it up really finely and smooth it, but it's not the way I want it. But I'm going to be going ahead soon. Not 100% good, but you know what I mean. Yeah, let's get a glass as we goes along. And this is finished. It's not bad, it's good. Alright, lovely. Alright, so nice, smell really good too. It smell really good too. Nice and lovely. This one you can have it in the morning before you go to work. Alright, you can have this in the morning before you go to work. And also early I make this one, which is really nice. As you can see, that looking good and amazing. And that is from Chef Ricardo's Juice Bar channel. Tell me what you want and tell me what you need. Anyway, it's amazing recipe. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo's show. Got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming out. It is coming up to Valentine, which I'm going to make a lot of juice, a lot of things, and you know what I mean, will be coming for the fans. Don't forget to subscribe Chef Ricardo YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave your comments, and don't forget to tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright, thank you so much for watching my show, and I will see you next time with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show and the Juice Bar and the Salad Bar channel. They are amazing, so please go and get your special recipes, get your ideas, and learn how to make your own juice at home and do your own recipes by making Chef Ricardo juice. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Follow me on all social networks, including Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and also other else social network. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show, Juice Bar channel, and I will see you next time. You have a lovely day, morning or evening. Bye-bye. In the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo's Juice Bar channel. Anyway, this is the Juice Bar channel, and we are just giving you different kind of recipes and ideas. And I'm going to be doing a mango, watermelon, ginger, lemon, and honey. So first of all, I'm going to be cutting up some pieces of melon inside of this smoothie blender right here. I didn't buy a whole melon, I just buy a pack of melon, because I know we'll be using the melon, you know what I mean, like this. So I'm just gonna cut up the melon like this and put it straight. Nice and lovely. Nice and lovely. As you can see, I love melon, and you know what I mean, I always say to myself, this is the only thing I can do. So I'm cutting up the melon. That's the melon right there. The next thing I have mango. Alright, so I'm gonna remove the skin from the mango. And the mango is perfectly ripe. Alright. Valentine recipe coming up soon, so look out for that drink. And I'm going to cut up my melon, my mango, inside of it like this. That's the mango. Nice one. I'm gonna get a piece of a ginger, and I'm gonna remove the skin from the ginger. And I'm going to cut the lemon into half. And I'm going to squeeze off inside of it like this. Nice one. Don't want to seed inside of it. Let's put one of these right there. Lovely. So, as you can see, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop roughly about half glass of water inside of it. But I don't like to, you know, I don't like to put water inside of it. I like to do like ices and all these things, but in the summer we can do that. But now the time is really cold, so you don't want to do that, you know what I mean. You want to just keep it simple, and you know. Alright, so we're going to put a little bit of honey inside of it, not too much honey. Alright, then what we're going to do, cover it like this. And we're going to blend it for about 3 to 4 minutes in your blender or your Ninja blender. Look at that, nice color, love the color. As I can see, the color looks so fantastic. Amazing. Nice and lovely. And you know what, Ben? It doesn't take too long to blend. Nice and lovely. Valentine color is coming up very soon. You're looking good. Look at that. Beautiful one. And all we're going to do now is, you know what I mean, get our thing like this together. Beautiful one. Alright. And that's smelling lovely and nice with the ginger. Ah, perfect. Yes, that is perfect. I can smell that beautiful ginger, guys. Anyway, as you can see, this is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel, and it is amazing. It is lovely, it is nice, and honestly, as I can see, the color, Valentine color is coming up very soon, shortly. Look at that, really lovely and nice. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. We got a lot more recipe, we got a lot more ideas, we got a lot more things will be coming out for you guys. And I do love all of you guys for subscribing to the YouTube channel, leaving your comments below. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team, and see you next time. Bye bye.